What's going on, guys? It's Marcel Benson, investor, entrepreneur, and creative. Look, and today I got a pretty quick one for y'all. What I want to do today is just simply show you guys. I'm playing around with the title. I don't know if it's going to be Try It Tuesday or Tuesday Try Tuesday. Y'all drop a comment of what I should call this. But every Tuesday, I want to show you guys just a little strategy that you could use to make yourself 10 to 15% in the market, right? Just a really easy thing that you, with little experience, can deploy in the market just by following these things. So I'm going to jump right into the try it example for today. And what I want you to do is get your ass out there and try it. Okay? So I'm going to pull up the Palantir chart and just show you guys, one quick strategy that you could use to make money pretty quickly. Okay, so I got Palantir pulled up, and as you see, I'm keeping the chart very simple, right? I have the 21 MA up, and if you're noticing, when this is in an uptrend, right, or any trend, even when it's in a downtrend, but in this case, it's in an uptrend, it tends to respect the 21. And I'm looking at this on the hourly, right? So the way that you can make money on this is to either catch it when it's going back to retest this 21, because it continues to do it, right? It came back down to the 21 here, retested it, but this time it failed it. It went through and then it, went below. So you can catch a reversal like we have forming right here, right? Lower low, right? This is almost confirmed. If we can get a confirmation tomorrow on this, this should pull all the way back down to the 21. So catching reversals to the upside and downside around the 21 MA, okay? If it has risen above the 21 and it has shown a reversal and confirmation, then you can get in the next hourly candle and ride it down to the 21 or until you get your 10 to 15%. It'll probably be a lot sooner than that. So as soon as you do get your 10 to 15%, go ahead and lock it in, right? This is not trying to get rich overnight. This is just a simple strategy that you can deploy to start getting some simple gains, some easy profits each day when you see this, right? So like I said, history repeats itself. It shows you every time it's outside of the 21, it finds its way back to the 21. Then it takes off. And then it finds its way back to the 21. And then it takes off, and it keeps finding its way back. So right here, it looks like it's trying to find its way back. So a predictable play for me would be an entry in the next hourly if it's showing some sort of downward trend, right? So let's say, the market's closed now, but if you're looking at it tomorrow, just a 15-minute orb strategy would be a great way to see what that next hourly does. Right? If it breaks below the 15, y'all know the orb strategy. If you don't know the orb strategy, go watch the ORB 15-minute strategy in my archives. If it breaks below that 15, that's a very strong reason that it may be trying to make its way back to the 21. Okay? So if you don't have that 21 indicator, make sure you just go to indicators and TradingView, put the 21 on there, and wait for opportunities for it to reverse, come back to that 21, bounce off of it, or break through, right? If it breaks through, you can ride it through. If it holds, you can ride it up. If it's reversing and it's been above it for a while, you can ride it down. Simple. If you have any questions or need clarification about how to implement that, comment below. It's always love over here. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.